Hey guys, M33's Lego Films here, and today I'll just be making the train and maybe the windmill from Lego Classic Medium Set. So first off, I'll just put my phone on a stand. So I already did my unboxing, and that's just some Lego pieces. First we'll need one of these. 3 of these. So I'll just put that there. Okay, one of them. And there we go. So I'll put that. So this is what we have. And then put that there. And that there. So next we will need our this piece. Stick that at the end, so we now have that. Oh, now we'll need where are they? Oh no. Okay, so we'll need these, 2 of them. It's black and it's just sometimes it looks like it's green. So this is our train so far. Now we'll need one of these and I've put them somewhere else. Oh, that's right. I've only got one here because I made a chimney. Wait a second. Okay, I had to go into my room and scourge. Well, I haven't really scoured it, but I was making a chimney for a roof, but I used the newer bricks. I still use the older bricks. Sorry, but yeah. I wasn't going to make this video, but then I thought, oh, I might as well. So, yeah, I'll just take them apart. So we'll need one of these and 2 of these. Yeah, that looks right. So this is what we have so far. Next we need 2. One. Oh, wait a second. Sorry, come on. Okay. Maybe I should have eaten it now. I'll find it eventually. Aha, there it is. We need 2 of these. And we stick them. Oh. Here. And now we need 2 double versions of them, so it should be easy to find. Next one. is the second one. Here we go. Okay, we got 2 of these. And plug them up there. Bother. Now I need 2 black ones of them. I think I used them today. Or I think they were in the tub that I had my other. Here's one. These look familiar. Alright, this is what here's the blooming thing. Aha! Like, so that is, I found them finally. Oh, I didn't turn that on. Oh, yes I did. Oh, maybe I should turn this out a bit. Sorry if you find it hard to see, but yes, I can do. So here we had to get 2 of these. I don't know if I've already showed you, but shown you, not showed you. But I might as well. 2 of these and 2 of So this is what we needed. 2 of those and 2 of those. Here we go. Gosh. Ah, crap. Just waiting for my phone screen to load. Now we'll need one of now we'll need these pieces. This is our train still so far. Alright. Next one. So this is what we need next. 1x4 and 1x1. Oh, 2 1x4s and 2 1x1s. Next we will need a darker blue. Let's try. So we'll need one of these, and we stick that there. Brum brum. Chugga chugga choo choo. Brum brum. It's not a cutter. Great. Come on, phone. Sorry, it's taking forever, isn't it? Another. you're here in 100 years, I'm very sorry, but maybe you should start watching after like 15. No, it won't take 100 years. I'm very sure about that, but it will be taking a long time. So that's what we need. Them and them. And what? Oh, I missed that step. Okay. Did I miss another step? No, I didn't. Okay. So I need 4 of these. So I'll just move them around. What? Oh, on the other side. Wow. Okay, so this is our train so far, still. I need to add, now I need 1 of these and 2 of these. Can you see? 2 of those. There, it's all like this. Yep. Okay, so we need 2 of these, and I've got 2. At least I did, like 5 seconds ago. There's step 17. We need 1 of them, or 2. So we need 1 of these and 2 of these in black, and I'll put that there, and that there. So it's looking good, kind of. Next we need okay, so we need 2 of these, which I've got, and we need 2 of these, but I can only find 1. So if you could just maybe that would be nice. Oh gosh. That. We found it, the other one, and then that one. So I need those to go there. So the first one will go there. If you can see, the next one there, and then the 2 yellow bits should stand out so you would be able to see them, and you should. I need to get a new light in this room, but yes, there you go. Next, I need... Okay, that's going to be an easier task. Because I did see that about a minute ago. That's an easy one. That's one. There we go. That was a record breaking. We need one of them and one of these. So I put that there, and this is for the choo-choo part of the train, and we put it there. So next, 20. Okay. We'll need no. Okay, so these are what we need. We need two of those, and I've got two, and one of these, and I found it. So I'll put that up there, and these over here. So it's starting to look nice. And then we need this for the smoke. No, don't drop it. And that's where it goes. Next, we need 6 wheels. Just get them out of here. 2, 3, 4. I need the other. 5, 6. Okay, so we need 6 wheels, and sorry if I just tapped the camera. So that's the first train part. And next, we need one of these. And this and that. So I'll place that there. So, yep. And next, we need another one. Seriously. Of them to connect to another stupid train car. Well, it's not really stupid, but for me, it's taking up my time, so I need that. Now them and 2 of these. So that and that. And 2 of these. Two more of these. So this is taking me a lot less time to find, which is a good thing, I suppose. 6 of those window things. So this is our thing so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, come on. 6, okay. And so I got 6 of those, and that's a good thing. go. That's all 6 on here. For number 9, I need 4 square, like 2 by 2 number 2s, and then like the second shade of light blue. The second shade of blue. I wonder how the people get in. There's no doors for this one at least. And there wasn't one for the other side either. So now we need 2... Oh, so I didn't show you, but that's the carriage. Yellow thing and oh, come on. Okay, so we need 2 of these and 2 of these. So, okay. And that's our cart. Carriage, whatever. Now I'll do these 2 this time because they're bigger. Two of these, and we stick them on the top of the carriage, passenger carriage. Number 12, we need 2 of these. So here's our passenger carriage. Oh, okay. And 2 more extra wheel things. And 4 wheels. I know that for a fact. So that's all my 10 wheels gone. Okay, so we're done. And now I just need to connect these 2. So, here we go. Ta-da! Oh, well. That was fun, but sorry if I took up too much of your time. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're going to comment, you can leave suggestions for what I should do next, like in stop motion films, because I'm doing them now as well. Thanks for watching.